boys and girls, I am Professor Katie, your science lady, and we are going to do another science experiment today using some household items that you would have in your home. So you're going to need a paper, you're going to need a balloon, and you're going to need a hole puncher and your head with your hair. So again, our science experiment is called Attraction. Here's our science paper. You're going to write the name of the science experiment up here on the top, Attraction. The materials you're going to write that you need a balloon, paper, hole puncher. You're going to draw a picture of what happened before and then what happened after once we did our science experiment. So let's get started. So I'm going to stretch out my balloon. We're going to blow up the balloon. Now you may need help with tying the balloon because I know tying is kind of hard. So do your best if you have an adult somewhere close by that can easily help you tie your balloon. That would be great because you want to have it tied because you don't want the air to come out of your balloon. So here's my balloon. I didn't blow it up too hard. But then you're going to take your hole puncher and you are going to hole punch a bunch of little holes, like, I don't know, 20 or so holes. Just kind of punch all over. See how it makes all these circles inside your paper? So you're just going to do that. And then, see, I have this little tray. We're going to put all those little paper dots. I'm going to do a couple more. So, you know, it's probably 20, 30, maybe even more. And we're just going to kind of spread them on our table here. So as you can see, you kind of have, you know, some circle dots right here on the table. So then you're going to take your balloon and you are going to rub your balloon on the back of your hair. So this is going to make your hair stand up. It's going to be so fun. So, because you want to rub it kind of like really good on your balloon. And then watch to see what happens. Ready? Do you see that? Do you see what's happening? Do you see what the paper or circles are doing? You see how they're attracted to the balloon? Can you hear it? Do you see how they're sticking to the balloon? We can drop it down and we can do it again. We can get those dots off of our balloon. So what are we doing? Well, our experiment is called Attraction. So what are we doing? Well, we're making a little static electricity. So we're rubbing the balloon on. Let's try it again. Do you see it? Isn't that cool? You can even hear it. So the paper is attracting to the balloon. It's sticking to the balloon because of the friction we created with our balloon on our hair. And then the paper is sticking to it. Super cool. I love it. Don't you love it, super scientists? I know you do. This is such a cool experiment. So again, just some simple items that you might have at home. I get balloons at the Dollar Tree here in Napa because you can get a pack of a bunch of balloons for just $1. And it's always fun to do science experiments with balloons. And then also, if you have like a rainy day in your home and you can blow up a bunch of balloons and just kind of hit the balloons like all over the room. So balloons are really cool to have on hand. And again, like a hole puncher and just paper, that's it. So that was our science experiment Attraction. I hope you had fun today doing our science lesson. And thank you for continuing to be super scientists with me. I'm Professor Katie, your science lady. Until next time, bye.